Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the important disaccharides. Important disaccharides. And their compositions. So first one is we look at maltose. Maltose is a monosaccharide unit of Gg, that is glucose and glucose, and the linkage is alpha 1,4. Next is we move on to isomaltose. So isomaltose, it accumulates the glucose, and this is nothing but it has the alpha 1,6. Next, moving on to the lactose. So maltose is glucose plus glucose, isomaltose is glucose plus glucose, then comes lactose. Lactose is galactose. So there is a galactose and the glucose. So galactose and glucose, here the linkage is nothing but the beta 1,4 is the linkage. Then moving on to the lactulose. So what is meant by lactulose? Lactulose is galactose plus fructose, so GF, and this is again the linkage is beta 1,4. So linkage beta 1,4. Then we move on to sucrose. So sucrose, it again contains the glucose and the fructose, whereas lactulose was galactose, here it is glucose and the fructose, and the linkage is alpha 1 and also the beta 2. Then we move on to the trihaldose. So trihaldose means it is a glucose plus glucose, and here the linkage is alpha 1,1. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.